Today, Microsoft makes the internet easy. Today, it's the Microsoft Network, and it's free for a month. Today, it's easier to do what you want, keep in touch, and have some fun. Today, life just got a whole lot easier.
It was the best of times.
Today, it's different. The Microsoft Network is free for a month when you click on the MSN icon on your computer's desktop. MSN brings the internet to life right on your Windows 95-based PC with sound, motion, and more. Send and receive email. Get the news as it happens. Plan and book a trip. Manage your investments, and about a million other things. Just click on the MSN icon for your free month today. You'll get unlimited hours on MSN and the internet free for a month.
It's just really extraordinary to see what you can do.
Your new MSN account can be ready to use in a matter of minutes. So click on the MSN icon today, and you're on your way.